Want to turn your digital art into cold hard cash? Look no further. In this video, we'll reveal the top 20 websites where you can sell your digital art and earn money online. From graphic designs to illustrations, and from paintings to digital sculptures, we've got you covered. Many talented digital artists struggle to find the right platforms to showcase and sell their art, often missing out on potential income. These artists have amazing skills, but they need a little guidance on where to sell their work. It's tough to find the right audience, and even tougher to navigate the complex world of online marketplaces. As a result, many digital artists are stuck with piles of unsold art, wondering why they can't seem to make a profit. Let's be real, it's frustrating to pour your heart and soul into a piece of art, only to have it collect digital dust on your hard drive. And it's not because their art isn't good enough, it's because they don't know where to sell it. Websites have made it possible for artists to reach a global audience, but with so many options out there, it's hard to know which ones are worth your time. You've probably searched online for hours, scrolling through endless lists of marketplaces, but still can't find the right fit. That's why I've done the research for you, scouring the internet to find the top 20 websites that will help you turn your digital art into cash. Whether you're a seasoned artist or just starting out, this video will show you the best platforms to monetize your digital art. So, what are you waiting for? Watch until the end to discover the amazing websites that can help you turn your passion into a profitable business. If you're looking to sell your digital art for cash, several platforms cater to artists, helping you monetize your creativity effectively. Selling your digital art online offers a fantastic opportunity to turn creativity into income. These 20 platforms each provide unique tools and audiences, from marketplaces like Etsy and Redbubble to NFT platforms like OpenSea, and even subscription services like Patreon. By choosing the right platforms for your art style and audience, you can expand your reach, build a loyal following, and maximize your sales potential. Etsy is a marketplace for handmade and digital goods, ideal for selling printable art, illustrations, or even custom design services. With a vast audience of craft enthusiasts and gift shoppers, it's perfect for digital art that appeals to niche or home decor markets. To maximize sales, use SEO-friendly titles and tags, offer seasonal designs, and promote your shop through social media. Redbubble is tailored for artists who want their work printed on various products, including clothing, accessories, and stationery. Its global audience is primarily young and trendy shoppers looking for unique, expressive designs. To succeed, focus on bold, eye-catching art and upload frequently to increase visibility. Society6 caters to art lovers who seek premium home decor and lifestyle products featuring unique designs. The platform handles production, shipping, and customer service, letting you focus on your art. Create collections or series to appeal to home decorators and emphasize your profile as a professional artist. Gumroad is perfect for selling downloadable digital art, tutorials, or design resources. Its simplicity makes it a favorite for independent creators. Use its email marketing features to build a loyal customer base, and consider offering bundles or limited-time discounts to drive sales. ArtStation is a hub for digital artists, especially in gaming, animation, and concept art. Its store feature allows you to sell prints, tutorials, and assets. Highlight your portfolio to attract professional clients or studios, and leverage its visibility within creative industries. DeviantArt has a massive community of art enthusiasts and creators. It offers print-on-demand services for your work. Engage actively with the community by joining groups, commenting on others' art, and regularly updating your profile to maintain interest. OpenSea is a leading NFT marketplace where you can sell your digital art as unique tokens on the blockchain. The platform appeals to crypto enthusiasts and collectors. To stand out, create limited editions and actively promote your NFTs on social media and crypto forums. Similar to OpenSea, Rarible is a decentralized NFT marketplace where artists retain control over royalties. Its user-friendly interface and creator-focused features make it popular. Use storytelling to add value to your NFTs, such as sharing the inspiration behind each piece. If you're finding this information helpful, take a moment to give this video a thumbs up. It really supports the channel and helps other artists discover these valuable tips. Also, let me know in the comments which platform you're excited to try or already using. Creative Market specializes in selling digital design assets like illustrations, fonts, and templates. It targets designers and marketers looking for professional resources. To maximize sales, upload high-quality, versatile products and provide clear descriptions of how they can be used. Design Cuts focuses on curated design assets and bundles, attracting professional designers. Their premium feel can elevate your brand. Collaborate with other creators to be featured in bundles and maintain a consistent portfolio of high-quality products. Envato Elements is a subscription-based platform where customers access a library of digital assets, including illustrations and graphic templates. It's best for scalable designs and resources. Focus on offering editable, versatile designs to appeal to professional audiences. Zazzle is a print-on-demand platform where your art can be used on custom products like business cards, gifts, and home decor. Its customization options attract customers looking for personalized products. Use popular trends and themes to create appealing designs. Fine Art America specializes in fine art prints and merchandise. Its audience includes art collectors and interior decorators. Offer high-resolution, striking designs and leverage their social media integration tools to promote your portfolio. Shutterstock is ideal for photographers and illustrators who want to sell stock images and vectors. It targets businesses and marketers looking for professional visuals. Upload frequently, focus on trending topics, and use accurate keywords to improve discoverability. Adobe Stock connects with a professional audience using Adobe Creative Suite. It's great for selling high-quality vectors, illustrations, and digital photos. Pay attention to technical quality, and ensure your art aligns with professional design standards. Shopify lets you create your own online store to sell digital downloads directly. It's ideal for those who want full control over branding and pricing. Use apps for marketing automation, offer exclusive collections, and integrate social media for wider reach. Squarespace is another platform for building a personal e-commerce site. With its sleek, design-focused templates, it's perfect for artists. Highlight your portfolio, use call-to-action buttons, and offer subscriptions or exclusive content for recurring income. Printful is a print-on-demand service that integrates with Shopify, Etsy, and other platforms. You can sell physical products featuring your designs without managing inventory. Focus on creating high-quality, trendy designs that resonate with specific audiences. Similar to Printful, Printify allows you to sell art on custom products like t-shirts, mugs, and posters. It's highly scalable for e-commerce entrepreneurs. Research best-selling items in your niche and test your designs on multiple product types. Saatchi Art is for selling fine art, including digital pieces. It caters to high-end buyers and art collectors. Write compelling descriptions, share the story behind each piece, and participate in their promotional events to increase visibility. Patreon offers a subscription-based model where fans support you monthly in exchange for exclusive content. It's perfect for building a dedicated community. Offer tiers with different benefits, like behind-the-scenes content or exclusive art tutorials, to engage your audience. Selling graphic designs through print on demand and merch is a profitable venture for creative entrepreneurs. By uploading your designs to platforms like Redbubble, Teespring, or Printify, you can turn your art into products like t-shirts, mugs, and tote bags. These platforms handle production, shipping, and customer service, allowing you to focus on creating unique and marketable designs. Marketing plays a key role in success. Promote your merch on social media, collaborate with influencers, or create dedicated content showcasing your designs. Consider seasonal trends and popular niches to attract specific audiences. Consistency in uploading new designs and engaging with your audience will build a loyal customer base. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video useful, share your thoughts or questions in the comments below, and subscribe to the channel for more tips, tools, and strategies to help you thrive as an artist. See you in the next video.